My name is Doug Dupuis, and I want to show you how the messaging feature of the LinkedIn software tool works. Here's the dashboard of the software. When you install it, this is what you will see. The first thing that you have to do is you have to download your contacts and your groups into the software. And that's just a two-step process, one for the contacts, one for the groups. After you've done that, then you are ready to go right to messaging. So you go to messaging groups. So you message groups in this way. The first thing you do is you select a group that you're targeted, that you want to send messages to, people in the group that can do something for you. So once you've selected the group, then you go ahead and you can compose a message, or you can do the message ahead of time and then select the group. It doesn't matter. The first part of the message has two parts. The first part is that you ask people to invite you to connect, and you give them your email address. This is what I do. You don't have to do the same thing. And in doing that, I get a good response. The second part of the message is you put in your marketing pitch, message, whatever you want to do. I'm a IT recruiter, so I'm putting in job descriptions because that's what I'm looking for is people. And I'll go to a certain group like net developers, and then I'll go ahead and look for software people in there and send messages till I find somebody. That's basically what you do. It's not complicated, and after that is all set up, then you're ready to go ahead and send it out. I send it out to 50 people, and I do this 3 times a day, so I send it to 50. Now when you send it out, you have two options. You can't use both, but you can use one or the other. You can either use a keyword and search on keyword. In other words, if you're going into a group, or you can send it to cities, one or the other. Let's take chiropractors, for example. If you have a list of chiropractors you're sending to a group, then you would probably use the cities because you know that you already have chiropractors, so you're not worried about it. So you can select any or all of the cities that you want to search to. On the other hand, if you're into a group of people, doctors, dentists, and so forth, and you want to find the chiropractors in that group, then you would use the word chiropractor, for example, here and search on that, but you cannot do both. So after that, once you have done that, then here's what transpires. Everyone that you send out, then I switched over to your LinkedIn inbox. And you check sent, keep track of them. Every message that you send will show up here. So you can check this to make sure the message reads right, that you haven't made a mistake, this type of thing with the software. Now, the people that you ask to invite you, will show up here, and all you do is accept. I look at them because there might be something there to in terms of a job description or something. Depending on what your business is, you may want to do the same thing. So this is how you build your connections. And then finally, then you go to messages, and these are people that have responded to your message, whether it's some sort of call to action or whatever it might be. It starts a sales conversation. And that's basically how it works. I do this every day, 7 days a week. It has been very profitable for us. It's a very valuable tool. Thank you.